This video is a short introduction to SAFE. SAFE stands for Smart Authenticated Fast Exams. It is an open source smart classroom tool developed by our R&D team at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Bombay. Our vision is to transform the conduct of exams and classes. SAFE is an app-based system for conducting cheating-free e-exams in proctored venues. The conventional wisdom is to disallow mobile phones and specifically smartphones in exam halls, as exemplified by this notice here stuck outside our exam halls. You see on the picture to the right here, however, that these students are taking an exam using their mobile phone using the SAFE app. One of the key features of SAFE is that it preserves exam integrity by making sure that the students can use the smartphone, only for taking the exam during the exam. Thus, SAFE ensures cheating-free operation. As we will see right now, since students use their own phones for taking the exam, SAFE is also infrastructure-free and contact-free. So how can SAFE be used for online exams and online teaching, especially in the current pandemic situation? SAFE supports both objective and subjective exams, quizzes, as well as various kinds of assignments. It is quick and it is paper-free, completely electronic. It is also infrastructure-free because students can use their own smartphones for taking the exam. One of the main properties of SAFE is that it is cheating-free in proctored settings. So students can use the phone only for taking the exam during the exam. What about in remote unproctored settings? Cheating-free operation is impossible in a remote setting because there are way too many ways of cheating which a dishonest student can employ in order to cheat in such unproctored settings. So in such settings, can SAFE still be useful? It can indeed be used. It can be used for practice exams, take-home quiz, as well as take-home assignments where there is an element of trust with the student. It can also be used for short quizzes or polls during a live session. A very important property of SAFE is very useful in the current pandemic situation, and that is its ability to completely operate in a contact-free and electronic mode. There is no common touch surface across students and the teacher. Even in a regular subjective exam, students can write the exam on paper like a regular exam and take a snap of it using the SAFE app and submit. And correction of these papers can then be managed completely electronically using the scanned versions by the teacher. This is an important property because given the nature of the COVID-19 disease, people want to avoid common touch surfaces. So these are all the ways in which SAFE can be used to transform the conduct of your exams and classes. It can be used for both objective and subjective exams very easily. The process is very easy for both teacher and student. It is paper-free, completely electronic, and cheating-free in proctored settings. For subjective exams, we can manage all correction online, avoiding any common touch surface. To make the correction of subjective questions easy, SAFE supports the notion of answer rubrics. Since the use of SAFE for conducting a quiz or an exam is so easy, it can also be used for continuous assessment in the form of short quizzes and also providing instant feedback to both teacher and student. It can also be used to check mental presence of students in either a live session or in a physical classroom. Are the students really listening to your lecture? Are they really following you? You can quickly check by just having a SAFE quiz for 1 or 2 minutes. Over the years, we have also developed an interface for taking attendance in class using SAFE. In this mode, SAFE allows the teacher to take attendance of however large the class is. Students just need to open their app, do a couple of clicks using the SAFE app and mark attendance. SAFE gives the property that it is quick as well as proxy free. Just like in exam mode, where the SAFE app ensures that the smartphone can be used only for the exam, we also have a classroom mode which restricts the use of the phone in the class to avoid distraction of students by their smartphones. We have also used SAFE extensively for various surveys and polls, which is quick and easy, and you can configure whether or not you want the survey or poll to be anonymous. The process of conducting an exam using SAFE is so easy that I can summarize the steps in just one slide. The authority or the teacher prepares and uploads the exam on the SAFE server. Then the SAFE app on the students' smartphones downloads the encrypted exam. The questions are downloaded in an encrypted mode. In order to start the exam at the designated venue at the designated time, the teacher simply has to share the decryption password to the students. The students can then attempt the exam questions and submit them whenever they are ready within the given time. In the case of subjective questions, if the exam has subjective questions, the candidate can write the answer on paper just like a regular exam and take a snap of it from within the SAFE app to submit it. If the exam has only objective questions, we can instantly get a consolidated mark list, and the teacher can also choose to share the feedback with the students immediately. SAFE also has an interface whereby the teacher can grade subjective questions manually using rubrics. An important and key feature of SAFE in this context is its ability to handle network connection issues. When you conduct an electronic exam for any number of students, it is typically the case that some students will face network connection issues either at the beginning time of the exam, during the exam, or at the time of submission. Now, SAFE has been designed to be robust to all kinds of network disconnection issues at various points in the exam, at the time of starting, during the exam, or at the time of submission. SAFE is robust to all these kinds of issues. You can check out more details of SAFE on the SAFE website, safe.cse.iitb.ac.in. SAFE has been used extensively so far for several hundreds of quizzes in several tens of courses in both IIT Bombay as well as many colleges outside IIT Bombay. SAFE has also been used for various high-stake entrance examinations. The website also gives testimonials by SAFE users, teachers who have used SAFE for various purposes. So, are you ready to transform the conduct of your exams and classes?